Hello fellow 3D enthusiast, my name is Ian, and today I wanted to share with you how and why I am animating a short movie in 3 days. So we got a couple of tips, we got a couple of benefits, why you might want to do this, how you might want to do this. So first of all, let's talk about a couple of tips on how you might want to do this. The route I'm taking is just simplify everything, and that goes for characters, it goes for environments. For example, for characters, I'm using the little bean guys from Among Us because they're kind of cute and they're really easy to animate. And for environments, I'm just throwing together some cubes and some lights, and that's pretty much all I'm doing. So simplify. Very important when you have a time crunch like this. Okay, tip number 2. Use Eevee if you use Blender because it is real time and things turn around so much faster. You can get quick renders. If you accidentally mess something up, you can re-render it really quick. I'd very highly recommend it. Of course, Cycles looks amazing, but Eevee can actually look pretty good these days as well. So that's the tips for animating a movie in 3 days. Let's talk about why the heck anybody would want to do this. We got 2 benefits here, and yes, I am looking at a clipboard. First of all, it really teaches you to be extremely efficient with your time. You quickly learn the activities that are actually important for making it, and which activities are not important, don't really help it. For example, I'm not texturing anything. I think texturing looks good in some cases, but once again, that goes back to simplify. That's something I've learned while I'm under this super short deadline. You also learn what things are more important to focus on. And talking about things that are more important to focus on, I think for this situation at least, timing and humor are a little bit more important than looking good. So, that's what I'm focusing on. Number 2 benefit, fail fast. You kind of hear this a lot in a lot of different places. The whole idea of fail fast is that the quicker you make things and fail at them, the quicker you'll learn. So if you cram a whole bunch of tiny little projects into the same amount of time as it would take you to make a long project, you learn a lot faster when you're making the tiny little projects. At least that's what I'm hoping. Actually, you know what I'm hoping is that it doesn't fail at all and it looks fantastic. But I'm sure there'll be little corners that I cut all over the place. Okay, that's about it for the tips and the benefits. Actually, there are probably more, and I just wasn't able to think of them all. Currently, I'm actually in the midst of the 3 days, so I should really get back to animating. But the videos must go on, so here I am. Anyways, if you're interested in seeing more videos like this and tutorials for Blender and visual effects areas, there's a link in the description that says free hydra. It doesn't say that anymore. Ugh. There's a link in the description that says 5 tips for CG integration into live action footage, something like that. And when you click that, it sends you to a quick email sign up form. I'll make sure the first thing I send you is this tutorial on integrating CG objects into live action footage. There's a lot of good tips in there, and I think it can really help you out. Another good thing to be aware of is every week whenever I create a tutorial, I'll be sending out an email to you with the video of the week. But hey, I hope you have an excellent day. I hope you animate some awesome movies. If you're up for a challenge, do it in 3 days. But other than that, cheers!